In this lesson we'll talk about accessing and using man pages. The most important command for online help is man, an abbreviation of manual or man page. All manual pages are available in English and many have been translated into other languages. Because these translations are often incomplete or not maintained, it is recommended to use the English versions. To display the man page of the command man, you can just enter man. If the English man pages are not shown automatically with the command man, you can display the English version of the man page by using the variable all capital len equals en underscore capital E capital N. For example, to display the English version of the man page for the command man, you would enter the following: lang all capital equals en underscore en all capital, and man 2 times. Using the parameter lang or language equals English switches to the English language for the requested man pages only. The following is the first page of the manual pages for the command man. The header of each manual page contains the command name at the left and right sides and the section number to which the manual page belongs. In the center of the header is the name of the section. The last line usually contains the date of the last changes. A manual page should be divided into the following parts. We have a part for name. It contains name and short description of the command. Synopsis is a description of syntax. Description, it's a detailed description of the command. Options, it's a description of all available options. Commands, it's an instruction that can be given to the program while it is running. Files, that are files connected in some way to the command. See also part, it's hints to related commands. Diagnostics part, it's possible error messages of the program. Example part are examples of calling up a command. And bugs part, all known errors and problems with the command. To view manual pages, internally the command less is used, which displays one screen of information at a time. The following keys are available to use with the command less. Space is used to page one screen forward. B is used to page one screen backward. Page down to page half a screen forward. Page up to page half a screen backward. Down arrow or enter is used to jump one line forward. Up arrow is used to jump one line backward. And is used to go to end of the manual page. And home is used to go to beginning of manual page. If you type slash and some expression or string or word, it will search forward from the current cursor position for this expression or word or string. Matching line is displayed as first line on the screen. If you type question mark and expression, it will search backwards from current cursor position for this expression. Matching line is displayed as first line on the screen. The next key command is N. It will move to next instance of expression in the search. Capital N will move the previous instance of expression in the search. And Q key command will end display of the manual page. So to exit display of the manual page, just press Q. Manual pages are organized in the following sections. They've got section 1 through 8. The first section contains executable programs and shell commands or user commands. So to find help on executable programs and shell commands, you need section 1. Section 2 is for system calls. Section 3 is for functions and library routines. Section 4 is for device files. 5 for configuration files and file formats. 6 for games. 7 for macro packages and file formats, and the last 8th section is for system administration commands. For example, entering the following will display general information about the command cron tab. So let's type man1 cron tab. To exit, just press Q. Entering man5 cron tab will display information about the configuration file for the command cron tab. To exit again, press Q. It is especially important to know to which section a command belongs when there is more than one manual for a command. For example, the command uname is both a user command and a system call. Entering the following displays information about the user command, man1 uname. Let's exit pressing Q and let's type man2 uname. It will display information about the system call, such as name and information about the current kernel. You can display a brief description of all the available manual pages for a command or utility by using the command whatis. For example, let's type what is uname, and we are getting the following output. Manual pages whose output is marked with P are POSIX manual pages of the command uname, like in this case uname 1P, and the function uname 3P. POSIX stands for Portable Operating System Interface for Unix. It was developed from the IEEE and the Open Group for Unix as standardized interface between application and operating system. In SUSE Linux Enterprise Server, the manual pages are located in the directory usr share/man. If you enter man-k, some keyword, a list of manual pages in which this keyword appears will appear in the name section on which it is displayed. You can also type apropos and this keyword. For example, let's type man-k printf, and it finds out all the commands in which this keyword appears in the name section. We can do the same with apropos printf.